Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to study medicine in Russia. First, research accredited universities offering medical programs taught in English or Russian. Many Russian medical universities offer programs in English, making it accessible for international students. Next, familiarize yourself with the general admission requirements and begin gathering all the necessary academic and personal documents. This initial preparation is crucial for a smooth application process. To be eligible for medical studies in Russia, you must have completed your high school education with core science subjects like physics, chemistry, and biology. A minimum aggregate score of 50% in these subjects is generally required. Additionally, applicants should be at least 17 years old by December 31st of the admission year. For Indian students, qualifying the National Eligibility Cum Entrance Test, or NEET, is also a mandatory requirement. The application process involves submitting your academic transcripts, passport copies, and application forms to your chosen university. Upon acceptance, you will receive an official admission letter. Following this, the university will help you obtain an invitation letter from the Russian Ministry of Internal Affairs, which is essential for your visa application. Finally, apply for your student visa at the Russian embassy or consulate in your home country, ensuring all documents are accurate. Studying medicine in Russia is often more affordable than in many Western countries. Annual tuition fees for medical programs typically range from $3,000 to $8,000, depending on the university and program. Living expenses, including accommodation, are also generally reasonable. Many universities provide comfortable hostel facilities for international students. Remember to register your student visa at the local migration office within 7 days of your arrival in Russia.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.